So in this space that's part of the greenhouse is right through there. There's 2 rooms, kind of like a hotter room up front. I'll show it to you. It's a little dark, sorry. It's like a scary place to be, but in the daylight it's totally awesome. So a hotter room, a warmer room, and then through that door you have the main greenhouse part. When you get done with what I'm getting ready to show you, you'll just take it through that door, and there's a bench just to the right where you will put the echinacea that are potted up. So we need to take these out of this really small space that they're in, and we need to give them more space. So we've got these pots that we're going to pot up into, and it's a really simple process. So you just take the pot, you come over here to this sort of potting area that we have. You're just going to get it roughly half full, a little bit more. You're going to come over here, and you'll just have to take turns doing this. I'm going to do this with one hand. You're going to grab a nice healthy looking one. Let me put this down for a sec. So basically what I did was I squeezed the bottom of this right here. You just kind of squeeze it like so, and it pushes that transplant out. It should stick together somewhat. You're going to take that transplant, you're going to set it right here, and then you're going to fill up around it. You don't have to take a whole lot of care other than not, you know, trying to not damage the plant if you can. Work that soil around a little bit. You don't want to push it too hard. You don't want to leave it too uncontrolled in there. So it needs to be somewhat firm, but not pressed down really hard. So that is a potted up echinacea, and from here you're gonna bring it in, walk around there, over to that screen door, go through it, and I'll clear a space on the bench that you'll set that in. So we need everybody to do at least, I think there's enough for everybody to do 4 of those. If you come across ones that are like this one, there's 2 inside here, that's fine. Just leave them together in that pot. If you come across ones that are kind of weeny like this, just press pause on that. Don't do those. Let's do all the ones that are stronger, have like 1 or 2 leaves ready to go. Those will be the ones that we prefer. So I think there's enough for everybody to do 4. Maybe everybody start by doing 2 of those in the pots, and then if we have enough left over, you can do 4. But everybody needs to get a chance to do that potting up. If, for instance, you need more pots, I'm not sure if we have the exact number of pots here to do all of these. So again, pick the strongest ones first. Everybody does 2 that are pretty strong, and then if you have some that are left over that we can pot up, underneath the bench that you'll set these under, there are some clay pots. So there's not a light in here. So here, let me turn on the flashlight. All right. So this bench right here, I'll clear this bench off, but underneath here is a bunch of clay pots. You can select you can get the clay pots and just continue on if we've got more to do besides the plastic pots that I have there. So that's what you need to do for the rest of the time today, and then I'll see you on Thursday.